Alright guys, welcome back to another new video. So if you have a 1999 Acura, so this is a 99 Acura CL. So if you want to know where to locate your Obd2 port, I'm going to show you where to go. So the car already starts, so normally you switch on the ignition and remove the car in low or 1, depends the type of vehicle. I'm going to remove this part right here, and that's where your Obd2 port location there. That's where you scan your, able to scan the vehicle. So you plug it in right there like that. And it's the scan tool right here. So I'm going to pull it up and see what's going on. Alright, so I'm going to go to OBD auto scan. As you can see, there's a check light in there. You can see it's reading.
You have lighter?
That door. If you open the front door right here, I'll look in the pocket part there. Alright, it's taking a little while to load. Okay, so as you can see, this is the information for it. Alright, so I'm gonna go to BTC. So it's communicating with the vehicle. Alright, so it's showing O2 sensor ether circuit bank 1 sensor 2. So as you can see, there's a I have to replace the oxygen sensor in order to get rid of this code. If I clear it, the check light gonna go off, but it's gonna come on back. So that's how you scan your 1999 Acura. So if you find this video useful, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.